Undoubtedly, it's the people that I work with.
So what makes me proud to work at MobileSmith is that from my first day here, I've really felt very involved in everything we do, from marketing to product to really just how we go about our jobs. I've felt like a really integral part of the process since I've joined the team.
I think I would the first word that comes to mind, honestly, is caring. And I know that sounds a little silly for a tech company, it may be, but we actually do care about each other from a cultural perspective, right? We are not looking to, and with that comes collaboration. So caring and collaboration are the two big C's that come to mind.
The culture is great at MobileSmith Health. We have a very transparent and open culture. It's very family focused. All of the teams work together. There's a lot of collaboration and helping each other with a common goal of making a very great product that's going to be impactful to the healthcare industry.
What I love about MobileSmith is that they allow us to have that time to joke around, and at the same time, we can all collaborate together and work really hard. And we come from so many different backgrounds, but it seems like all of us get along kind of like family.
I think the most important thing to me here is the collaborative nature. Everybody wants to make sure we're delivering the best products that we can, that we're putting together the best solutions that we can. And it's a good place to be able to ask questions if you don't understand why we might go a direction with something, propose ideas and have your voice heard. And I think that's probably the key value for me, is just the openness to everybody and communication between different people.
So our 4 H's, humble, honest, hungry, helpful, are our 4H company values. So I would say, which one do I like the most? I think helpful. I think we really do impact patients, help patients, So the way that our apps are configured, being intuitive, really helping patients engage in their care and improving outcomes. So out of our company values, I'd say helpful is probably the most important for patients.
So the thing that resonated with me about MobileSmith is that the company certainly values its people first and foremost. Ever since I've joined MobileSmith, I felt like they've genuinely cared very much about my happiness, both working here and in general. But I would also say that we value success, and there's a great blend between valuing the people that help to make us successful, but also valuing what it takes to go out and be successful. And we're all very driven to bring the product to the market in a successful way and make a big difference for patients.
Our leadership encourages us to never hesitate to ask for help, bounce ideas off of them when we need to, and there's a focus on education, which is really important to become a well-rounded individual anyway. So that's really good.
I think the greatest thing about the executives that I specifically work for, my supervisor, my boss, he really makes me feel valued.
It's the way they listen. If you have a problem or you have an alternative solution to something, they'll hear you out, consider your ideas. It gives you responsibility, and that helps drive that sense of feeling valued within the company.
Just a lot of software out there that's just there for entertainment values. It's copy paste. We want to do the same thing. And I've worked on things like that, and there's nothing wrong with it. But come to the healthcare field and working on these projects that I believe actually will benefit people's lives in a very positive way is a very rewarding feeling. And it allows me to come to work and makes it easier to do things knowing that I'm going to be helping people.
So I didn't start out intentionally going into the healthcare field, but it happened because of just different life choices and decisions. You accept a job that leads to one thing and another. And before I knew it, I was in healthcare, and now I've been in it for many years. I've worn many different hats, but I love it, and I wouldn't change anything that happened. I enjoy healthcare because I feel that what we're doing at MobileSmith and the products that we're offering will make a difference.
So I think what has really kept me in the healthcare field and excited about the healthcare field is that when we at MobileSmith deliver our products and our solutions and ideas out to the market, we can touch everyone at some point in time. By touching everyone at some point in time, we can make a monumental difference for our society, for every single individual in it, and improve their health and well-being overall for many years to come.